Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users rejoice! There is a new update around the corner for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and that is the long-awaited Day 1 update. Samsung just announced on their Samsung.com website that a new update is coming. For me, I felt that Samsung really put themselves under pressure by taking a long time before announcing this update, or even before giving this update. Rumors have been out that Samsung will update the S24 Ultra by January 23rd before they start shipping by 31st January. It didn't happen, and we are on Valentine's Day 14th. That's the day that Samsung announced there will be updates for the S24 series, especially for the S24 Ultra. Samsung is also mentioning personalized viewing experience where you have to have this vivid mode. There are about 3 levels of vividness that you can achieve with the S24 Ultra or most S24 series that can give you that vivid Samsung saturated color the way you just want it. So they are giving range of options for all the users. Of course, other things that will be fixed there, including some of the issue with the grainy screen. There's issue about some camera tuning, optimization, performance, and also February security patch. So we are waiting for that. As a matter of fact, our gaming review was put on hold because I realized, after the fact I tested a lot of games, I realized that most of these games are actually not even optimized on the S24 Ultra. So why just do that when they have not actually released the Day 1 update? So it's best to judge Samsung with their Day 1 update on games and other optimization before we can even talk about how best is the performance. But generally, this device is a great device. I've been enjoying it, and yes, that's no reflection on the screen. I've enjoyed it so much. It handles light very well. The premium quality, the cameras are good. It's one of the best offerings that Android has there, and for me, it's still the overall best Android phone of 2024 yet, except you're going on the gaming side. But overall, everything, I think I'll still give it up to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section. What's your thoughts, and why is this delay? And do you think that Samsung is putting themselves under unnecessary pressure? Because first they announced 7 years of software update, and then it took them almost a month to release the first update for the flagship premium S24 series. So are you happy with this? Let me hear your feeling and what you think about the phone already in the comment section. I made a video where I talked about the problem about S24 Ultra is soft problems. So problems that can actually be dealt with software. If you haven't watched that video, you can click on the cards right now here to see that video. I also talked about how I came to the conclusion of why I picked S24 Ultra as the overall best Android phone of 2024. You can see that here. And make sure you follow me for more interesting tech tips and updates like this. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace.